Choosing the right dog as a first-time pet parent makes everything easier. Here are some of the best beginner-friendly dogs for Indian families and individuals. First, the Labrador Retriever. Labradors are friendly, loyal, and great with families. They are easy to train and love people. They do need regular exercise, but their gentle nature makes them perfect for beginners. Second, the Indian Indie Dog. Indies have strong immunity and adjust perfectly to Indian weather. They are intelligent, loving, and low maintenance. They are one of the best choices for first-time owners. Third, the Beagle. Beagles are playful, active, and full of energy. They are small, fun, and great for people who enjoy walks and outdoor activities. Fourth, the Shih Tzu. This breed is perfect for apartment living. Shih Tzus are small, cute, and require less outdoor exercise. They enjoy staying indoors and are easy to manage. Fifth, the Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are gentle, affectionate, and very easy to train. They do need grooming, but their calm and loving nature makes them great for first-time families. The best dog for you depends on your time, space, activity level, and budget. Choosing the right match creates a happy experience for both you and your dog. For more pet guides and tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.